Hey everybody, it's Kitty Winchester here, and from the title I'm sure you can see that I have a squishy haul. So I have 5 different packages to open, and they're from different places except 2 of them, and I've just been waiting until I got my last one to make this video, which I got today, so I thought I'd make it. I guess I'll just go ahead and start, and I'm going to save the ones I'm most excited for last. So, the first one I'm going to start with is from Squishy Tomato. They put it in this really big mailer, which I'm not really sure why, because the thing is only like that big, but better to pack it too much than not enough, I suppose. So I'm just going to cut it open. And that's what I pulled out. So there's this really pretty piece of paper. And it's like my invoice. And it's on Storenvy, Squishy Tomato. You should go check them out. They have really good prices. And yeah, so my items came in this very cute bear bag, because I want to see your face with a smile. Oh, sorry about that. So the first item I ordered was this blue frosting Hello Kitty donut. It's the non-licensed one. I think that's pretty obvious. But it's still got the tag. And it says it's licensed, but it's not. And from here I can smell. It smells good. I'm not really sure what it smells like though. But let's squish it. Sorry if you hear anything loud. My sister is doing something in the room above me, so. Wow. That's pretty squishy. Only problem is I can feel the sprinkles are about to fall off, but that's so squishy. So for that alone, that's a good deal to me. So I got that, and then I eventually want to have all the colors of Hello Kitty macaroons. Even I don't care if my squishies are licensed. I'm well aware that most of them, not most of them, but there are several that aren't licensed, so I don't really care. This one's an orange color. It's just got a black cell phone strap. It's decently squishy. That one doesn't really have a scent, but those are what I purchased, and I can tell you the price. The donut actually doesn't have the price, it just says what it is, so you can find out, and it looks like they gave me an extra in this little polka dot bag. So here's their card. Oh, that's cute. And then they gave me a little bun. A girl face bun. With a little black cell phone strap. And these are always incredibly squishy. So that was cute, and I always really appreciate extras. That smells pretty good. So I have those ones. I'm going to move them over to the side. Then I'm going to go ahead and open this one. This one is from Kawaii-land. It's just in a regular small bubble envelope like always. So here's my invoice. And then here is what I bought. Excuse me, these are the reproduced ones that they just came out with on Kawaii-land. Sorry, tired. And I love the tag. That's pretty much why I got it. Because it's so incredibly adorable. It's got the green holographic tag on the back, or sticker. So I have the chocolate one in the original chocolate bar. Now I have the vanilla one in this, and I'll probably end up getting the strawberry one. But it's really cute. Not very squishy, but very crackly. So cute and worth it. Like I said, the tag is so cute. It comes with a pink ball chain and a little pluggy thingy. So I got that one. Then the same day, I was so frustrated, they came up with something else that I wanted to purchase, and I had already purchased. It was actually the chocolate one that they came out with later in the day, and I had already purchased this one. This is also from Kawaii-land, so I purchased this one earlier that day, and then she made a video showing the chocolate bars on YouTube, and I was like, ugh. If she would have showed it earlier, I could have saved on shipping, but that's okay. So, go ahead. Focus. I'm going to cut this open. This one is to complete my set. Why does my voice always decide to do that when I'm making a video? I have the vanilla one and the chocolate one, so I wanted the strawberry one as well. These are some of my favorite Hello Kitty Squishies, the cream puffs. So it's this really pretty pink color with a brown bow, and like vanilla filling. And here's the tag. And like a yellow strap. These ones are so insanely squishy. It's part of the reason why I love them so much. Yep, just as squishy as the other one. So now I have the strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla ones. So I'm very happy with that. And then this one I got off of I think it was Storenvy as well. And I'd never seen this one before. It just came in another white bubble envelope. That's why I liked it. Because I'd never seen it before. I've always thought they should make a Hello Kitty squishy like this. Oh, they included extras. Okay. So here's my invoice. They gave me two, not sure why, but, and their name is Kauai Squishy Shop on Storenvy. So this is what I ordered. I know Hello Kitty looks a little weird, but I still think it's super cute, and it's the same on both sides, and it's like a cake roll. Take it out of the bag. It's really nicely textured, and it's really soft. It's got a black cell phone strap, and it's very, very, very squishy. That's insane, and it's very cute. I don't care that it doesn't really look like the traditional Hello Kitty. It's just, it feels like the bread loaf ones. It doesn't really have a smell, but it's very cute, and I like it a lot. And then they gave me, this is tiny. I've never seen a Hello Kitty, not a Hello Kitty, what am I saying? A toast squishy this tiny. It's like, this is very foamy. This feels like it was made out of a sponge. It's a little cute smiley face, which I appreciate. And then this one they gave me just looks like a rabbit character. Or a sheep? I don't know. And this is more stress ball material. That was really nice of them to give me, maybe it's a cat, I don't know, to give me 2 squishy extras. Okay, so now it's time for the last package, and the one that I'm looking forward to the most. And it is from Silly Squishies. Cut it open. So excited. Okay, so I took advantage of their deal for the 2 fruit donuts that are exclusive to Silly Squishies. I thought they were too cute to pass up. I love the designs. My favorite is this one, but it was buy one, get one free, so I got this one free. Supposedly they're scented, I heard. Yeah, they are. Not sure what they're scented like, though. This one is the lemon, with the green bow and the green ball chain. I like that it matches. Here is the tag. So cute. Ah. They're not really like the other donuts. They're not really so rising. That's okay. I got them mainly just because they are adorable. So there's that one. And then this is the one, like I said, I really wanted. So it's like a strawberry with dipped chocolate on it, with also a green bow and a red ball chain. Here's the tag. I'm not really sure what they smell like. They're scented, but I'm not sure what scent they're scented as. So thank you so much for watching my squishy haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm pretty excited about my new squishies. definitely go check out Silly Squishies, because like I said, these are exclusive to that site, and they might still have the buy one get one free deal. And yeah, I love them all, and I can't wait to add them to my collection. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, as always. I hope you guys are having a great, will have a great weekend, and I will see you again soon, probably with a blind bag opening, so stay tuned for that. So take care, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!